Hey, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another POV drive. This gonna be a nighttime. Damn, I just woke up the whole neighborhood, bro. But this gonna be a nighttime POV drive on the highway in my Catless Dodge Charger RT, man. No paddle shifter, so. But we gonna try to do a little bit of cutting up for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Had the window down a little bit, cause I ain't gonna lie, it is cold. But yeah, man. Come on. Got the little SRT page right there and shit. Dang. Hey, this bitch so loud, y'all. But yeah, we finna do a little. We ain't gonna be cutting up too much. You know what I'm saying? We ain't finna be on no crazy shit on the highway. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We gonna definitely, this is definitely about to be a banger little POV drive, man, for sure. Y'all be rocking with the POV drives, man. Y'all just don't be hitting that sub button, man. That's all I'm asking, bro. Hit that sub button. But when we get to lights and stuff like that, I'm gonna be like, no cap, probably cutting them. But we ain't gonna be at too many lights though, it's gonna be on the highway. Green light. Bro, this road's so damn bumpy, bro. I hate driving down the street. Like, I swear, I avoid this road at all costs, bro. Like, unless I really, really have to. A little downshift. But yeah, bro, I avoid this road at all costs, literally. There's a little tunnel right here. Damn, y'all. Hey, y'all heard that, twin? Hey, that mean we not playing. Bro, I can't wait for the summer, like. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna roll the window up on the highway. It feels like it's gonna be too much wind, but I can't wait for the summertime, bro. Like, I just feel like it's gonna be just so turned. Like, it's gonna be so many different. I don't know, bro. It's gonna be so turned. I don't know why. I just got that feeling. Y'all see the highway clear? Goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. Hey, I ain't gonna, that shit low key to just, I done there just scared myself doing that shit. Hold on, I'll roll the window down a little bit. Cause bro, I don't know, like, I just feel like y'all can't hear it enough on cam, bro. But it's crazy, bro. Hey, if you thinking about going Catless, bro, go Catless. Like, I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. This video not gonna be long at all, because my destination not really that far. But if you thinking about going Catless, bro, go Catless. You hear this? I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting y'all all the best pulls, bro. Y'all might as well subscribe. Hold on, I'm finna switch hands so I can try to get y'all some little manual. Like, you feel me though? I know y'all heard them. Bro, I know y'all just heard them pops, bro. Them was crazy. Nah, this junk crazy, y'all. If y'all think about going Catless, do it, bro. For real. Popping like crazy back there. But nah, man. Y'all heard this boy. This boy. Woo! The road got a little bumpy, man, but y'all heard these downshifts, bro. Like I said, man, this not gonna be no long video. This was definitely a quick little video for y'all, but just because I had to do a little highway POV for y'all boys, and I don't really even like, you know what I'm saying, this not gonna be like a super high quality video or nothing like that, but I definitely had to get one of these in for y'all, man. I ain't gonna, it's not that short though, little 7 minutes, that's not that bad, you know what I'm saying, but yeah, bro, I'm getting off the highway right now, so subscribe, bro, if you haven't already, man. We got way more mods coming, we got a whole bunch of stuff. I think one of my next couple videos, I'm gonna end up just throwing the air intake on here. I want the closed box AFE one. But anyway, man, y'all boys subscribe, man. Like, comment what I should do next. And I'm out, bro.